Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is you want to check if your iPhone is on silent mode or not. So swipe to where you see this action button and make sure the action button is tilted to the top. If it is tilted downwards, you see silent mode. So tilt this towards the top and then you should see ringer. Then again, check the volume level. So if your volume level is really low, then your iPhone might not ring when next you have an incoming call. After that, if these still do not allow incoming calls to ring on your iPhone, what you want to do next is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on sounds and haptics. Then come to where you say ringtone and alert and make sure this is not set to the barest minimum. So increase this. After that again, you want to come to where you say ringtone, click on it. And make sure you set the ringtone here. So you must select your preferred choice of ringtone here if you want your iPhone to ring during incoming calls. And if you want your iPhone to vibrate, come to haptics and then select your vibration pattern. So once that is done, then when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone is going to ring. So that's exactly how to fix iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.